Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to talk about time and review some of the concepts that we went over. Last week, we learned that the shorthand or the small hand is the hour hand, and the long hand is the minute hand. So this is our analog clock. And the thing you have to remember about clocks is the only hand that moves around, like if we're going to move this clock, because this is a learning clock, we usually move the minute hand, and the hour hand changes as we go around. Are you noticing that now that I'm at the 6, I'm halfway between the 2 and the 3. So I'm halfway between the 2 and the 3 now that I'm at the 6. But that doesn't mean I got to 3 yet. So I'm still in the 2 o'clock hour. So as I continue to go around, you can watch that red hand is moving. And then as I get all the way back up to 12, now I'm at the 3. Now I'm at 3 o'clock. So when we're in between the 2 hours, it still means we didn't get to the next hour yet. So as we're moving around, that hour hand will move slightly as we go around with our minutes. And when we get to the 6, we're halfway between 3 and 4. So this is 3:30. Okay. So just keep in mind that if we're halfway between, and even sometimes when we get over here, it's a little tricky because it looks like it's at 4, but we really didn't get to 4. You didn't get to 4 until you bring that all the way back up. Now we're at 4 o'clock. Okay. So I thought I would just roll the dice and see what time we have to make on the clock. So we just roll one at a time. That one was a 9. So we're going to make 9 o'clock. What hand has to be on the 9? Would we put the blue hand on the 9 or the red hand on the 9? Remember, the red hand or the short hand is our hour hand, and the blue hand or the long hand is the minute hand. So which one would we need to put on 9? Exactly. We have to put the red hand on the 9. So we have to go around several times because this can only go in one direction, which is clockwise direction. We can't go in the reverse order. We only go clockwise. So now we make 9 o'clock because our red hand would be on 9 and our minute hand would be on 12, which would be o'clock. Let's do another one. And I got 3. So we have to make 3 o'clock. I'm going to move around my minute hand. Notice after the minutes pass, that's what makes the hour hand go. So we're going to put the red hand on 3 o'clock. The red hand is on 3 o'clock because the red numbers on this clock are the hours and the blue would be the minutes. So 3 o'clock. And then we'll do one more for practice. And I got an 8. So we have to go to 8 o'clock. So we're going to move it all the way around, going clockwise direction, meaning counting in number order. And now we're at 8 o'clock. Our red hand is our hour hand, which is on the 8. And our minute hand is at 12, which means o'clock. So that's 8 o'clock. That was just a quick review of our time. I hope you enjoyed it. Take a minute and look around at your clocks on your hand and just watch it for a minute. A minute can seem so long when you're just waiting and watching it, but then sometimes seems so fast. So why don't you sit for a minute and ask your parent to time you so you can actually see how long a minute is. Hope you enjoy your day.